Now on our pound USD for the week, as you can see our pound, let's just analyze it. Full trade, we are actually on a downward movement. You can see once our price was actually trending within this our range, but our price broke below our support range trend move, and since then we've actually been going bearish, by the way. So everything we can see for months, almost a year now, our pound has actually been falling against our USD. And one thing for this week, I believe we might probably be closing bullish this week. That is exactly what I see might happen this week. We possibly might be going bullish this week, or if we are to see that fall on our pound this week, we might actually see a little bit of fall compared to other peers. Now let's see it on our pound index. I want to show you something on our pound index now. You can see our pound index has actually been falling, by the way. So we've analyzed it. On our daily time frame, you can see that our pound fell to this area here. We can see its trend line, touches our support trend line, it pushes up. Our price came down to test this area again. You can see once our price tested it, it pushes up again. This now serves as a support level that I have highlighted. Price tested here, price tested here, and now our price has fallen again, test this area. What I believe probably might be happening on our index is that my index would actually be going bullish again. I don't believe we will be going bearish this week. Personally, this week, next week we might continue our bearish move, but this week I believe our pound will actually be pushing up. On our pound index will actually push up for this week, so that is why I think probably we'll be seeing that bullish move against our USD itself. So once we are aiming to go bullish on our pound for this week, I believe that our pound should actually still go bullish, by the way, and close before we can actually see that fall, serving as like a retracement level. I will be seeing probably price tests. Let's see it here. Price goes and close bullish this week before you can see a fall. Reason is that why I say like that is because this week also we would want to be seeing a bullish move on our DXY, which is our USD index. So once we see this fall on our USD index, then we see that bullish move breaking this our previous higher highs. This was our previous higher highs here. You can see it on our daily time frame. We can see our price was actually go uptrend, retracement, push up. We saw this retracement, push up, another retracement, right? And now push up. Our price now broke our previous higher highs. This was our previous higher highs. Price broke above it, but now our price has now come down to test this area here. So we'll likely very soon likely be going a little bit of a push down, fall on our USD index before we see that bullish move and possibly break this our previous higher highs. So we would want to be seeing a bullish move on our USD index, and we would also want to be seeing a bullish move on our pound index. So that is why probably our price might not move well. I personally would be staying away from my pound to my USD trade. If I have to trade, I will not trade this my pound USD because the price, the movement would actually be complicated for me to actually take the trade. But if in case it's not, but in case we are to trade it, I would want to be seeing a bullish move on my pound, then a fall on my pound to my USD. That is what I am seeing: a bullish move, then a fall on my pound USD. So that is my analysis for the week.